Show me the camera.
Ada bija naman. Ada bija pala yun. Why na pala?
Why Richie T na pala?
Boya kani.
So it's going on that big red boat.
No.
Portland was was once the tourist capital.
It's low, alright.
No,
But slow.
no. So I'm going on the boat right now. I think he's good. We are volunteering. This thing jumping, I don't know, air jumping. Is it jumping? Yeah, air jumping. You shouldn't jump. Jumping and going somewhere. I don't understand.
You feel about that? That's it? You go and watch it?
It's literally at the sea. Have you ever been to Orchard Beach?
You're not living by the beach. I'm not living by the beach.
serious though. Captain can see in life, yeah, I don't know. Life jacket, it's out in life, yeah. So two boat or one boat? Super one, come on, super. We sink. Ah, two boat na using. That's the next one over there. See it? Fish? That thing floating, you know? Floating, you know? Oh, yes. See, big. It's a shark one, you know? Shark? Yes. Yes. It's a horse too. It's a barracuda. It's a shark. Hi, Captain. These are small coastal boat, bigger one than one, so. Yeah, P7, P5, and P red, and then my friends still have those. See you guys later. Them slot though. This was our JD, but JDI over here, so. No, JDF here, so. If we bought by the first one, you have to put it. This one, when I open it up for someone, that's what it is. When I open it, I'm going to look up my back and put milk. Yeah. I make over get seasick. When I circle go real, so. Then I go through. So they come the side here, you can catch them and come up on here.
You know below the man? Eh? The urban center. Oh, the urban center. Yeah. Progress at the urban center. No, it's fishing. It's at a night time. It's coming right. That's up to the rod.
Just two young sharks.
Them see some decent snapper and they chase out of it. Not till the boat. Pole and a half snapper size. May I walk on a gravel, so.
Circle Island and come back here.